Ladies and gentlemen, if you've wanted to ever create a line graph in Figma, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So the first thing to kick off our line graph is we're going to use the pen tool. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. And we are going to just click down and we're going to start creating these points. Now, of course, this can look however you need it to look. Okay, this is what mine looks like. So once you're done, you're going to go and click on done. And what you want to do here is go over to the stroke and you want to make sure that you're adjusting the stroke to be, say, between 3 and 4, right? Then you also want to go and change the color. So let's change it to this very, very cool green. And now we are going up to the left-hand side again. We're going to select the pen tool. And you can see just over here, we are going to just select off of that. Let's select that pen tool. And we are going to select just over here on this point. And we're going to come across. All right. And we can now click down and we can run it just over that line. All right, let's click done. And while this one is selected, let's go to stroke. And we are going to keep it black. We're going to maybe make the stroke 5 or 6, depends on your preferences. And now to add an extra element on each one of these joints, we are going up to the shaping tool. We're going to choose an ellipse. We're going to hold in shift and we're going to make sure that we're selecting an ellipse. All right, so let's just scroll in here a little bit so we can see what we're doing. And we're going to take this ellipse and we're going to put it on every one of these joints. Okay, so just to give it some extra juice here. All right, we're going to use Control C, Control V, and you can just place it on the next one and so forth. So as you go along, let's place one over here. And the last one, let's place just over here. Now, of course, you need to just adjust these so that they look accurate. This one over here can move a little bit higher, and this one can just move out a bit. Now that looks good to me, and what you want to do on the left-hand side here is you can just go and select all of these. Now, if you hold in Control, you'll be able to select all of them. We're going to just scroll out slowly here, and now we can go over to the right-hand side. We can give it a fill. Let's make it the same color. Let's give it a stroke, and let's change the stroke color to white. And let's increase the stroke to say about 2 or so, 2 or 3. That looks good. We can also add an effect over here. So let's use the drop shadow and you can just increase what it actually looks like here. You can change the offset and you can also change the blur. And I think that looks good. And there you go. Now you have a good looking line graph.